air.
Yeah.
Anybody can do this, Scott.
Of course.
Deep in there. Get out of there, you b****. There you are.
Edit that shit out post. That's a big old screw.
Ah, shit.
Listen to all that hot air coming from the other promotion, boss.
Yeah, at least it's not coming from me.
No, it's not.
Oh, yeah. That's how I like it. That's gonna be easy.
I've done this a couple times.
Oh, yeah. All right, boys. It's time for sweet, sweet penetration.
There it is. Yeah, twist it and spin it a little.
That's how she likes it.
That made her happy. Look.